Hello, everyone. Welcome to Flow Space 101 Vocabulary Flow. Today, we will practice 6 orange-level vocabulary words through a short dictation story. Today's words are haul, humble, pledge, sincere, stampede, suitable, listen carefully, fill in the blanks, and check your spelling at the end. Let's get started. Let's preview the words first. Listen and repeat after me. Haul to pull or carry something heavy. Say it, haul. Humble, not proud, simple. Say it, humble. Pledge a serious promise. Say it, pledge. Sincere, honest, and real. Say it, sincere. Stampede, a wild rush of animals or people. Say it, stampede. Suitable, right, or appropriate? Say it, suitable. Excellent. Now let's listen to the story. Do not write yet. Just listen. A humble farmer wanted to help his village. He made a sincere pledge to protect the animals. One day, he had to haul food to a safe place. Suddenly, a loud noise caused a stampede. The farmer found a suitable field where the animals could rest. Everyone thanked him for his brave and kind heart. Great listening! Now let's do the dictation. Now listen again and fill in the blanks. This is a dictation test, so listen carefully. Do not worry if you miss a word. You can pause the video and listen again. Number 1. A humble farmer wanted to help his village. Pause and write. Number 2. He made a sincere pledge to protect the animals. Pause and write. Number 3. One day, he had to haul food to a safe place. Pause and write. Number 4. Suddenly, a loud noise caused a stampede. Pause and write. Number 5. The farmer found a suitable field where the animals could rest. Pause and write. Great job. Now get your red pen ready. Now check your answers with a red pen. Number 1, humble. 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 Number 2, sincere pledge. Sincere. Sincere. Pledge. Pledge. Number 3, haul. 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 Number 4, stampede. 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 Number 5, suitable. 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 Check your spelling carefully. How many did you get correct? Now let's read the story together. Read with me. A humble farmer wanted to help his village. He made a sincere pledge to protect the animals. One day, he had to haul food to a safe place. Suddenly, a loud noise caused a stampede. The farmer found a suitable field where the animals could rest. Everyone thanked him for his brave and kind heart. Great job today. You practiced listening, spelling, and reading. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next vocabulary flow lesson.